And the winner in club class was Thomas Melde, 7 Bravo, Team Germany, average speed 88.6 kilometers per hour. Congratulations. And then in standard class, winner of the day, Janne Nord, Tango Alpha, Team Sweden, average speed 109.4 kilometers per hour. Gratulerar. And then, third time in a row, Stephen Howard Jones, Charlie Uniform Sierra, Team GB, average speed 99.9 kilometers per hour. Convincing, guys.
Thank you.
Congratulations. Okay, and then we have a birthday again. Where we have a birthday, where we have a Toma. Stand up. Okay. Congratulations. Happy birthday. And then, reminder, for tonight we have an international evening today starting at 8 o'clock. This hangar, counter presentations, some additional program like Troubadour and DJ Repe. Very interesting. Welcome. And then some notices from yesterday. There were some incorrect landing procedures. So these guys, Hotel Yankee and Charlie X-Ray, they did the 360 in a final of 2.6. And that's against the procedure, and I have to announce warning for them for this. So please, if you have lots of altitude, you need a circuit for 1.2, that's recommended. And now for the safety. We have a safety box here, so you will see it here. So it says Austin Safety Award. So it's here. So we have a safety award for the pilot who shows excellent safety approach. So you can submit your proposals there, and then the proposals also for the concerns you have during the contest. So that's the box idea of the box there. So please use it. Waiting for your proposals. Some other notices, missing IGC files for secondary launches, November India Tango, Sierra Papa, please submit your files, and then we are still missing Tango Whiskey Oscar, that's going to be submitted before the launches, that's already from the previous days. So IGC files for all flights needed, you can use the same system, you submit them, but first you need to submit the file which is going to be used for the scoring, and after that only the additional files. Trackers, they are today in all classes. They are shared for the top pilots in all classes. Didn't work very well yesterday, but we noticed that there was an error on the server side. So that's why the 20-meter clockers, 20-meter trackers were off. So hopefully today it will be better. So, for example, yesterday in standard gliders it worked really well, so we were able to track those through the day very nicely. But in 20-meter class, most of them were off, and we expect that that was because of the server problem then. And then going to the weather, Jarkko.
Okay, thank you, Heikki. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. And weather outlook for today. This is a significant weather chart for the Finland area. Räyskälä is around here, and this shows that there will be probably some CB cloud development showers in the central and eastern part of Finland during the noon, but maybe just middle and high level cloudiness in the southwestern part of Finland. Okay, here in this satellite animation, you can see Räyskälä here, and then some middle and high level cloudiness west of us, and some of them approaching, some clouds evaporating, but some more thicker cloudiness in the west approaching to Finland. This is a thermal forecast, cloud forecast and precipitation forecast for today, 9, 12 and 15 UTC. And I'll explain a little bit of this image. These gray shaded areas, they are total cloud cover. These other colors, they are the thermal height, like yesterday and previous days, and these small dots are shower development. So according to this model, we would expect showers here and maybe a short line here in eastern part of Finland. And despite of these quite extensive high and middle level cloudiness, the thermals are should rise quite high, somewhere 1 kilometer, 500 meters or so, quite rapidly during the course of the day. And then in the late afternoon, thermal height will drop, and a new cloud area is approaching, related to the occluded front, which we are expecting for tomorrow. Okay, this is the 3 UTC sounding from Jokioinen, an air parcel analysis, 18 degrees temperature and 5 degrees dew point would give cloud base to 1 kilometer, 500 meters, and it shows quite much energy for cloud convection to take place. So that this would mean that showers and even thunder could happen, but we expect that during the course of the day, this is a forecasted sounding for Räyskälä at 12 UCT. We expect that the upper layer of atmosphere will stabilize, and the cloud base in the afternoon would be around, cloud top would be at 3 kilometers. So meaning that compared to this morning sounding, which gives quite much energy, we expect that the showers would remain east of the task areas. Okay, this is Räyskälä meteogram. It shows that, like I said, quite much high and middle level cloudiness, maybe some cumulus development, as at least I can see there something right now. And anyway, despite of this high level cloudiness, the boundary layer is developing quite nicely during the day, and which means that surface temperature will rise to 18 degrees, maybe 19 degrees, and the dew point will drop to 5 or even 4 degrees during the course of the day. Okay, thank you. That's it.
For the task setting is that when the middle layer cloudiness, they are here blocking the good weather there, and then the showers in the east. So I have set the tasks here in between those two not that good areas for flying today. And I expect that the showers, they will be here more east, so they don't come to our task area today. So pretty similar task is for the club standard and 20-meter class. Again, kind of similar procedures there. And then launches today 2.6 and first launch 11.15 again, same procedures like yesterday. For the relaunches use 1-2 left. And then this is just a reminder that if you need to change the grid, you go through this red indicated path via the public road over here to the other grid. And this is only for the tow planes to launch. And then the finish, we have a 2.6 finish in use. So direct landing 2.6 recommended, and long landings recommended, not to block the area here in the beginning of the area. And please remember that you can also land here between the runways safely. So that's good for landing. And then if you have a lot of energy or enough altitude, you do the left-hand circuit 1-2 left. And then the finish standard procedures, 3 kilometer finish ring, 274 meters QNH, that's the minimum altitude there. And then one more reminder, so wireless or notice wireless, we have worked for to improve the wireless system here in the hangar area as well now. But what we have noticed that someone put there the private wireless system, I mean connected to our wireless. So don't do that, because that's blocking those channels of the shared wireless network here. So please no any personal installations in our wireless network. Any questions? No questions. Have a nice day. See you at the grid.